This is Eucalyptus redantha. It's also known as the rose mallee. It's got a beautiful low spreading form. It looks very similar to the macrocarpa, so if you like that sort of look for your garden, this will be a perfect choice. If it does get a bit too tall, you can prune it, it does come right back. This tree is also on the Environmental Protection Biodiversity Conservation Act as a vulnerable and threatened species, so this would be perfect for your garden if you're wanting to get into the conservation space. This species has got a beautiful bright red flower that is full of nectar that birds absolutely love, and the honey possums and the ashy grey mouse, which are a nectar feeding mammal, also really love this species. This is Eucalyptus erythrocoris, also known as the red-capped gum. This one's got a bit more of a fuller canopy than the other species we've talked about today. It's also got very big, vibrant yellow flowers that are kind of square-shaped. They've got 4 stamens. This also has a very vibrant, bright red bud cap. In between its flowering and budding stages, when it's still got the bud caps on it, it's got that beautiful combination of bright red bud caps and beautiful, bright yellow flowers. A benefit of planting these in your backyards is if you've got a heavy limestone-based soils, these will do really well. This one has a beautiful, very full canopy, and it's also very bird attracting. This is Eucalyptus piriformis. This is also known as the pear-fruited mallee. It typically grows to around 5 meters. It is a straggly habit, as you can see. The leaves are slightly tinted a bit grey, green, blue, so it's very beautiful ornamental even when it's not flowering. When it is flowering, the fruits are so heavy that they droop, and they're very bright red, bright pink. When it is in full bloom, it does kind of look like a backyard Christmas tree. It's also not very common around Vic Park, which is why we're filming this at Kings Park. This is Eucalyptus priceana, also known as the bell-fruited mallee. This one's got a bit of a sprawling habit. It is more of a screening plant, so if you did want to screen off part of your garden, this would be perfect. It's known as the bell-fruited mallee because it's got these bell-shaped fruits. These bud caps are a bit more of a maroon colour. This one's got a more pale yellow flower, still very rounded and quite large. This one does really well in a pot, and it's very drought tolerant, and it's suited to a smaller backyard. This is also on the DBCA environmental list as a black cockatoo food source. This is Dodonea hackettiana, also known as Hackett's hotbush. This one is a priority 4 rare species on the Environmental Protection Biodiversity Conservation Act, and it is a useful screening hedge. So if you had a row of these, you could easily block off any ugly fences. It flowers usually in the middle of summer. We've just missed it right now. This one's got a very beautiful, delicate, papery pink flower. It's very easy to grow, very resilient, and we love planting this in our Vic Park urban ecosystems areas.